Hello kids, welcome to Learn with Fun. Hello kids, let's learn some colors. Brown color, lavender color, rose pink color, orange color, light green color. Small A for almond. Small B for bird. Small C for crab. Small D for duck. Small E for egg. Small F for fan. Small G for gate. Small H for horse. Small I for island. Small J for jar. Small K for kite. Small L for lollipop. Small M for map. Small N for nest. Small O for oil. Small P for potato. Small Q for quokka. Small R for rope. Small S for shark. Small T for tea. Small U for unicorn. Small V for violin. Small W for watch. Small X for sign of us. Small Y for york. Small Z for zero. Small A. Small B. Small C. Small D. Small E. Small F. Small G. Small H. Small I. Small J. Small K. Small L. Small M. Small N. Small O. Small P. Small Q. Small R. Small S. Small T. Small U. Small V. Small W. Small X. Small Y. Small Z. Subscribe.